Hello, this is Warweasel again. I've made some more progress and I wanted to show a little bit of that off. Right now we are looking in Unreal. I made a quick little level out of some existing assets that you can get from the Unreal Asset Store. I believe this is the Soul City uh, demo, which is pretty good. It's pretty nice. Looks really good. A lot of professional stuff here. Uh, Makes my stuff kind of stand out by being a little, well, okay, a lot more amateur. But we all have to start somewhere, and this is me. I wanted to show that I've gotten a little bit more done, so let's go through that. Let's take a look. Let's start. Let's possess, and let's do a quick, full view. Now I've got the camera working a little bit more nicely. And I have an attack. Alright, I know, this isn't like Portal. This isn't a mechanic that's going to change the world. But it's pretty basic. It's the first attack. However, the awesome thing is I've figured out how to do attacks. And I think I've figured out how I can do my state machine for these kinds of things. You know, I have a lot going on right now. And I have a lot that I'm going to have to do with the camera, and I'm going to have to add sound and all sorts of fun things, but this is an excellent start. One of the things you may notice is that she stops when you're attacking, which is kind of a big deal. I'm going to add in a special attack for when I am moving, and so I can make this look a lot better, and this will be the stopped attack, which should be a little bit different than the sort of a run and slice attack that I want to do. But this is how I'm going to do the combat mechanics: is add something, see how it works, play with it, is it fun, and keep working that way. Some of the other fun things I have working, jumping. She actually looks like she's jumping. It's not the greatest animation, but hey, it's there. It works. I believe she believes she's jumping. From there, well, I can't really say there's been that much. Apparently, I haven't been as amazing as I thought I had been. It's a little bit more fun in my head. But I've gotten through and I've fixed, or I've plugged a lot of holes in my pipeline. So here, speaking of pipeline, I've started basically doing speed models. Can I just jump to it? Oh well. So, oh, here we go. And this is a speed model. I'm getting better at modeling. I know, it's a box. It's about 100 triangles, though, which is really awesome. I made this. And apparently, one part of my pipeline is remembering to save the texture after I create it in Blender. Apparently, this is one of those warts that make people love it. But seriously, people, can we just make a pop-up that says not all your textures have been saved? Or, please pray to the deity of your choice. Here's a lamp I created. It's also very, very low poly. Well, this is bloody annoying. Well, anyway, you know what a knife looks like. This worked out. This looks really nice when I had it working. And here's a lamp. Nothing groundbreaking, but the important thing is that I'm learning. I have some art here that I want to use, heavily inspired by not just Vampire Bloodlines, Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines, but also The Path, which is just a beautiful game. And Alice, Madness Returns. Uh, this, I love the art style. I love how it's so happy and gory at the same time. It's with The Path, I really love some of the fairy tale aspects. I may include some of the camera screws and various, I call them figments, the little drawings that look like they pop up on your screen. I call those figments from Psychonauts. And I think I could use figments as a nice way to do the HUD. Something a little bit more organic than just having a blood splatter or something like that. Well, with that, I've made, like I said, some more progress. One of the big things to me is the sky. It actually looks like nighttime. I've been playing around with lights. I've been just, like I said, plugging all these little holes that are in my pipeline. Man, you just never know how much that you don't know. It's insane. But you know what? I'm not even going to bother to cut this and to make it look nice. Good night, everybody. Have a great day.